Welcome to FTC. We've been building some of the world's finest filtration and separation systems since 1987. We believe that filters and coalescers are not all made the same. Your business has unique filtration and separations needs, and FTC has the experience and reputation for unmatched quality you can depend on. In 1987, we began servicing oil and gas, refining, and gas processing industries, and they remain important markets for us today. But FTC has grown over the years into other fluid process markets, including industrial manufacturing, chemical production, automotive, food and beverage, power generation, and water treatment. Whether creating high-quality standard filters and coalescers for today's marketplace or special custom-engineered solutions, our work begins when FTC's engineers thoroughly evaluate your application requirements. Then we design a filtration or separation system optimized to minimize capital and operational expenditures without sacrificing the performance you need. We understand that no two customers are identical. Every new job poses unique problems for our team. Creating an innovative, one-of-a-kind solution that's just right for you is what we do best. After we design your filtration or separation system, production begins at our 75,000 square foot plant in Houston, Texas. Our operations team builds your new filters or coalescers on site using the most advanced media technology and the highest quality precision parts, all assembled on site by our skilled craftsmen. There are no shortcuts where quality is concerned, and we run comprehensive quality assurance checks at every stage, as well as on final products in our state-of-the-art research center to make sure your filters perform as expected. This takes time, precision, and attention to every last detail. No, filters are definitely not all the same. We think that the filtration and separation products and solutions we design and craft should be as unique as you are. You deserve more than generic off-the-shelf filters or equipment that sacrifice quality and even safety. When efficiency, durability, and performance count, FTC stands alone at the forefront of filtration technology. Let us design a filtration or separation system for you.